Example number 5. Suppose 4 branches of 5 identical cells are connected in series, the internal resistance of each cell being 10 ohm. If the group of cells sends a current of 0.2 ampere through an external resistance of 25 ohm, then find the EMF of the cell. So what they have given is there are 4 branches of 5 identical cells each. So there will be totally 20 cells. Each is having resistance 10 ohm. So 5 cells are in series. Likewise, there are 4 branches. So this group of cells generates 0.2 ampere of current and it drives it through 25 ohm external resistance. So you need to find EMF of the cell. Now the first thing, so the circuit contains four rows and each row contains 5 cells in series. So let us say each cell has EMF E, then net EMF will be equal to, if I call it as E net, that is equal to 5 times E. So in series EMF get added up, and in parallel whatever is the EMF of each row, same will remain as it is. So what happens to internal resistance? So internal resistance R net will be equal to, in each row there are 5 cells, so it should be 5 into each one has internal resistance 10, and there are 4 such rows, so it should be divided by 4. So that should be 50 by 4 ohm. This is net internal resistance. So now we know that current drawn from the battery is E net divided by R plus R net. So I is equal to, E net is 5E, R is given, it is 25, R net is 50 by 4, and this current is given, how much it is, 0.2 ampere. So let us simplify this. What do we get? 0.2 is equal to 5E divided by, if I take 4 as LCM here, this will be 150. So 0.2 is equal to, take this 4 to numerator, so 5 ones are 5, 30 is a, so that will be 4E divided by 30. Send this 30 to left hand side. 30 into 0.2 is 6. It is after all 1 by 5 is equal to 4E. So E is equal to 6 by 4, or you can write it as 3 by 2 volt, or you can write it as 1.5 volt. So EMF of each cell in the battery is 1.5 volt.